That's some hair. A lot of it. Look at that shit. It's a lot of hair right there. What waves? I'm done. I'm thought boy cut. Alright, now look, but check this out. What you do is you oil your scalp. This is good for your scalp, and your hair is really good. You put this on your scalp and you rub it in your head. That's why my hair looks like this right now. That's step one. Step two, you get you some of this. This is the best for your hair. And you don't get a lot. Check this out. You put your finger in. It's not a lot. Then you rub it together. And then you put it in your head. I'm gonna show y'all just in the head part because I need both hands. Bam, finger, jar, slide. Till your hands white, and you roll that up in there. Get in your scalp, everywhere. You do not have waves when you're doing this. Ain't none of that cute stuff. Mess your hair up. You see them curls? That's what you're supposed to do. Step 3. Shout out to the poodles. This is a medium hard brush. You go to your hard brush and you get to brushing that. It's called laying it down. Who not swimming? Y'all see how fast they came back? Look at that, bro. People, man. It's called the brush. Alright, bet. So, you know, after you're done with your hard brush session, which I'm pretty much done with, I had to, you know, make sure I got the crown and everything. The crown's got to be circular. That's mine, right there. So sometimes, you know, when I can't see, I stick my finger there, right? And I cheat. I cheat like this. Because I know if I keep around that finger, I'm going to be laid. But, you know, y'all don't know the cheat codes because y'all don't be out here swimming. Y'all be out here rippling. Fake ass waivers. I'm sick of that shit. Y'all be having do-rags on for style. This shit is not a game at all. I'm sick of it. Quit wearing shit if you ain't doing nothing under it. Period. So now we're on step 4. Shout out to me because I'm the 4 dog. Jabari. But shout out the other 4s too. Y'all see the purple and gold Playboy shirt? Yeah, that's me. I ain't a Playboy, but yeah. So now you get your medium brush. My hair is thick. This is like 2 months of wolf, so the soft brush is really no point for me no more. But if you are not on a big wolf like I am, I would recommend you using your soft brush to lay everything down. But right now, for people that's wolfing, if you are, medium brush it. Because you can't get nowhere without this medium brush. This medium is lit. So you medium brush it. But this is how you do it. You gotta turn around. And you gotta brush it this way. So you can see everything right. Get them angles, boy. Get them angles. Make sure that crown is straight. Fam. Oh yeah, we in there. These waves for real. And you know, and you continue, you know, get all around that head, do your thing. You know, I ain't finna show the whole thing, but you know, around the crown. Now once you finished all the brushing, and your arms are finally dead, you know you can't move them no more to brush anymore, because your arms are tired. You go to step 5. Shout out to my back. He ain't swimming as me, but he almost there. It's called, this is my favorite part, honestly. It's called the wrap up. But if you're wolfing, you double wrap. And I always recommend the top one to always be something stronger material. You always put silk on your hair. Silk only on your hair. This could be anything. I always recommend something stronger because you don't want the double wrap to be all messed up. Because like silk do rip easily. Like I only had this do-rag for a little bit, and it's already got this. I only had this do-rag for like 3 weeks. You know, wash it and everything. Wash y'all do-rags, because people be y'all do-rags stink. Wash y'all do-rags. But yeah, so now it's the wrap, and I'm about to show you how to wrap it correctly. You want the seam out. The seam is this part on the outside. Take that, and you bring it from the back though. But I like mine because mine made me look like the Virgin Mary. Look at that. Put that on clear. Now, I used to do the whole little flap thing, you know. I'm gonna do it for y'all anyway. Flip, slide to the back, bring that around, and you get this straight. Here, hold that. Shoot, hold on. I got tangled on my mommy. Ah, shoot, hold on. Hold on. We're in there. I still made it work. Bam. Then you tie in the back. You can do a little bow tie or whatever, but to me, knotted it up. And you pull the tail flat. So your head smooth. Bam. You see how I forgot to tell y'all before y'all put this on, don't tie this tight as hell, or you're gonna get a headache, or you're gonna want to take it off because it hurt. Don't do that. Loose on your scalp, you know. Not loose. You still want it tight so it's still secure and don't fall off when you sleep, dummy. But when you put this on, you make this one loose too. But make sure it's still tight and secured. No flip. Well, I don't flip. Do what you please. I don't flip. No flips over here. And then, hold on. You wrap. Make sure your ends is tight, man. Don't have ugly ends. Get around there. Come back around. You're gonna open them up. You can fix them later. I always do mine later. Cause this one's better. Yeah. Now you're in the back with it. So now you're in the back. Do you think you go crazy back here? I do the bunny loop. Y'all know what that is? The bunny, you know, going to the tunnel. 2 bunny ears. Damn. Secure that, grab that tail, pull that tight, and bam. Now you got a ghetto Jack Sparrow. And, you know, make your little adjustments, fix your tails, fix your, tails, whatever. The ends, make them flat. I like mine flat so it looks nice. I'm just a presentable person. I like my shit looking nice and presentable. And then, you're out the door, and you wake up swimming. You ain't gonna be swimming as me, but you'll be somewhere. You'll be somewhere at least. Better than where you at now, because y'all shit weak. And that's my wave tutorial. And I hope you get your waves now. Make sure y'all go buy Shea Moisture Curling Instant Smoothie. This is the shit. Wash your hair with Can2. I wash with Can2. I'm not gonna stunt. Can2 is good for washing, but it dries your hair out if you use it for moisturizing. Don't do it. And definitely use this for your scalp. It's definitely good for your scalp. Yep. Alright. It works on edges too. I promise you this will lay your edges down. Y'all edges be waved up for real for women that are finished my tutorial. I'm really baffled that y'all finishing it. But yeah, definitely apply this to y'all too. Women, y'all be swimming right here. Y'all be swimming right here. In the kitchen in the back. Go ahead and attack that mug too. Alright, so we just got the shower, so I'm gonna show y'all the results. Hold on. A little tight back there. It ain't really, it's just kind of got some water on my do-rag. I don't take my do-rag off in the shower because it'll mess up my shit. I mean, I already washed my hair, so what's the point? Y'all ready? In 3, 2, swim. Come drown. You know, this is results. These are results. Follow my shit. I'm telling y'all, I will never lead y'all astray. A couple lines is cool, but you know what? You wash your face, they'll go away. You'll be alright. But do you see, bro? Hold on, I'm gonna reverse it. Oh shit, how you zoom out? No, I can't. Don't even worry about it. I mean, damn it. I can't even see my crown. I ain't got my contacts in right now, so I mean, y'all tell me how it look. I'm just saying, I'm swimming better than who y'all think y'all talking to, who y'all think y'all with right now. You know, tell your man to watch my shit so he can get his shit straight. Man, I took off my do-rag and it started raining outside. Rain. It's raining. Well, you can't really see the rain, but it's raining.